my human opano. So what I'm telling you is a fact. What's the nature of that? And I make us say, Kofi. On what just to go on a year start deployment, you couldn't nipa you nusu kaka ho kaka ni di ne de ami money kaka ho asan so pepe nipa. And you're saying say a political party like us are affected because nipa are kumomono bako or branch executive. Apart from that, I said the largest political party in this country, this is a national issue and beyond the ground. Now you're commenting on the issue. You are saying that we cannot call for the NCU to be sacked. Clearly, on our causes our problem with because you need Nana will say your first soldier for Mobasa. You only call the military into matters of security when the issue has degenerated to a certain point. Police if we are to maintain law and order. Videos and we're not doing anything. In fact, demonstration illegal. All you do is to disperse them with tear gas or rubber bullets or hot water. Because indeed, the police for no more water cannons.
Sam Mejiri said the seriousness of it in a president ama the Minister of Interior has set up the 3-member committee.
Short commission, put the common ministerial committee.
Yeah.
A commission of inquiry headed by Justice Emil Short, members Professor Herita Mensa Bonsu. Pennyfo kuku da no mokasa de omo yi omoduma kosi sai. Mu wieye o man penye kufu ado se bi trade ansa. Se bi etie fo banche me ade enche. Toilet paper kwa ho so pass o mo report no kire me ade ba ko mu a wode ye adwuma. What mean that what he rejected all their important recommendations. The accepted say or the be ye adwuma ni mpuno. The sinne or the ye adwuma. Abanche no bo Sam George na o man penyi ka say no de wa accept o mo recommend. I know they all say or disagree with the committee on prosecution.
Yeah.
Because of provoking. As a lawyer, Onim said in the crime of assault there is nothing like provocation. When defending a branch or both Sam George and so on, double. Some prosecution no, they are not yellow. I think that's the way she no more yes, our cosmetics and yama we now. Let's not be deceived because there will be that. Even a commission of inquiry on the back of state-sponsored violence ni precision mass. I will tell a tool from national security for I was always for the Kiman South, Nipa Yakum or DNSC, Savilugu Ablekuma Central, DNSC. And when you are there, almost the president will be treating the business as usual. No matter Bram so. The people in the people of Ghana, especially the youth, want something different to be done in this matter. What they want to know is justice. What they want to know say, Apayano, every man of credit on the name. Now, Obi Biara or Kahubi, Namasa, avoidable debts we see. You kumi paya, you pepe paya no. All those people, Obumu soldier for police commander whole area, military commander whole area, municipal chief executive whole area, they cannot continue to be in office. They must all step aside. And yes, sir, they will use the powers they have to frustrate the investigations or to cover up evidence. And you being na omatate here by blaming the murder on Kakana Kasemia. How wicked can you be? Yakumo be. O di akwa opportunity ni aso. Ama ni nua fo frasa so afenti. Ama ne maame so asan so afenti. Why? Abrawo eyewitness account a. E tire se nipa mienu ne kum sa abrantie no. E ma ye di kum no eye ni eye ma mienu. E di nipa ba ko de kita and market like a team, and the way Bob
Sammy, are you always already? Are you always already catching the Pemi, before the arrest of Kakanyang?
Yes, we know.
Into how much in the Pami? Yeah.
Almost bail. But yeah, because you're more court for remand you for further investigation. Then you may need your court. Yeah, who be there? Yeah, see the first say, you see, because we know what I'm doing, they say. We just have to give you want to say government the benefit of the doubt. What you say?
Okay.
But we are also cautious. You see, we be paid and I was rewarded in the background. The way you need to action check. And I deal with a see back, a see me, a see night, a soldier for Bruni pass, no move. I mean, and sometimes when you go on the ground and you check, the people tell you that soldier for way there. Say be wa budget say e be sha somade. So you even wonder what I say. Omo ya a soldier for papa. Ya ni omo te Ghana ha dada di na because kofi. Mimi who soldier ni papa ya training no. Me at the team sunyane. Barracks sunyane barracks. So I know my barracks the friends of Matna barracks they are grabbing the pen soldier. The soldier ni pa on armed protest Janiako. Na obebu to get apoma mama one so too or the two actually ni paso se okuno. Na it is a total mototo ya no omototo mo magazines nyina to talk from not aboba no magazines nyina to speak from together with live bullets. So you need a tutu sir. So you need a training with two more. Or better G3 and AK-47. I'm man the magazines as if they talk with live bullets. No properly professional trained soldier will fire an arm like that. So and the way the soldiers were dressed, you get a sense that scientific vigilantes say your master for security agencies ni mubi. Ena deploy because soldier adwuma no ya establish as of mine omo ye ho ban etu ekito omo ye sika na ato ye ni fi omoka. So why should some politicians use these people against us? Okay, we be so we are politics.
The call for the
and even if there is any politics in it, what is wrong with it?
So, I mean, the call say
responsible are they political? Are they not political actors?
The call say
somebody be calling them out.
Okay.
The fact that they are politicians, insulate them from criticism, insulate them from being called out. That's a would be and I wouldn't than be more phones or no more model. So didn't we a kahu obia? Didn't we a kaka? And I didn't we a mutala and adonasi na yakuna. Cafe or Becasa.
Majorison and a condemn sa police in soldiers true any nipper womb. He has condemned it on my show right now.
Yes, say they were condemned. Because he used to be one of the people preaching for soldiers to brutalize people. Yeah, why I was always working. None of you on Empire. He told us, pa. And we also what happened. Even without any provocation from us, we saw what they did. Because he thinks they're not buying also a national youth organizer. So he can threaten. The last time some time, so or the Empire said, you see a record demonstration. They're using certain unprintable, offensive, abusive language. Yeah, they will deal with that. Oh, these people think that they will be in power forever. So power kakano when a shower ma come. They break kasa. They forget say yenina Ghana for yenina no even the politics and say as Ghanaians as friends.
So currently Bujiri said the court. Yeah, I know.
Because they think they have power, no.
Yeah.
They talk you anyhow, threaten and all that because
the court say you need this. Bujiri say no can solve the problem. Is that
no? So that's the only thing that you come.
Okay.
Now solve the problem. One year no be here.
Okay.
When you say when I could be as when I was president.
Yeah.
Who MC ye wo krum ho. Ye kumobi. Nipa mienu a yachi omo no, oni omo na ye adwuma. Meboa. Nipa mienu na ye di ka chi omo, omo na MC na ye adwuma. Enti di enti na what MC ni asota na.
Committee
na ye di ka kum no. Abante na ye di ka kum no. MC ni no problem say name fix the country nyama o ye no di gu na ni mu a. Eno kwa ma na suspect. Apart from that, put in the background information, media about primary. Apart from that, find a summer soldier for you, Mapaku Kupi. One of here. It is yes, investigate yes, the deployment of the military or more use of force, a two or more to 2 years, whether they were professional or not. You see, a corporate security expert, like the why should the MCE still be acting to interfere with evidence? He should just step aside. He ain't declare or step aside. Now, is that not the commonsensical thing to do? Apart from Abiyoya Yeki, catch them, and away.
Okay. But there is a committee no the investigation, but no mum will be the best. But you may not be far from the right with a suggestion.
Because those answer no report. They have to work. And investigation na involve beer or head an institution and all responsibility over the investigation. But or no or your suspect. And you better not interfere with the investigation. I am a the police, you will be interdicted pending investigation.
Okay.
That's what in government, any responsible government will do. So once you, the DC, you have been mentioned. And Mabruno Crano, I say, I'm a what I kill. Or my call will be a few the account. And you see, your advice to one was Rumo. MPP for office and book Rumo. Yakwa attack your you know this only the Mabruno say MPP office.
I'm aware. Oh, they walk close to their mosque. No, I'm aware.
Yeah, other than NDC office here attacking.
Okay. Now, some you all mention
it's because of the feeling on the ground among the young people. They say, MC, you know, name call for. So, what the young family said, the members of the Jamaica kind of no, the conclusions in the wrong. Many your committee, your police, and many opinion America. Let that person who has been cited in the matter step aside. Do independent investigations.
Okay.
Let not anybody try say. As same way, or mobile cover the app to say was West Wagon, the Timan South, and all the other similar cases there. Some of us, yes, the beans to say. Yeah, kaka manum na me go bu omo kwa keten ba ko dane ma me na so omo titi ni so no. I have sworn say until we get justice for kaka in the bushia, some of us we will not sleep. We will not stop.
Okay. So let me wrap up.
Yeah, they will succeed in keeping this matter under the carpet.
Let me wrap up the discussion with you. What kind of demonstration? Police for the statement about still the ban on public mass gathering is and that's why in 4. Idea mobile things, it appears Mudrim no is shattered. Okay.
And I'm here to speak with the National Youth Organizer. But I think yesterday there was a issue statement that the demonstration will still come on, whether the police will provide us with security or not. There is a police for them can say Omote Ahobambo no Munyama. The Munyahobambo my Naya Ibenya Yahobamba, Naya Pay Ahobambo, Naya Pay demonstration. Yes, Bana, a demonstration, a man say, and Tremebo Amania. Now, Bambo be wa as of mine or Father Boy Hobay. Ya Trabro, ya Famra Council. What's the wood you wouldn't have Bambo for my because of COVID-19? A year, as I said. Because COVID-19, and so say, Joe, ye, our man, Pinaku for the young people for by a who quite pass a year. Don't you see? Apart from a no. Na COVID wo pa vaccine kwa na samere mai ye hu rally sa o man penye kufuado ene ye NDC fu ya ye ni krum ha ni pamma ye ni krum all because any power political parties audience ye hu dia ko so ne bank kan ya o pa ko 9 class ni mu dia di ko 9 class anajo o paps anajo ipa ye ho ma o ma ba peso so ye say ma so for pretty feeling. Yes, yeah, my citizens.
Along the way, it's answer airdrop a call back now he was not available. That is it. Just about 10 minutes to hit 8 o'clock. The chief of defense staff, Eko Wa, video be about soldiers at Yagu Wa Mountain. So go and see beatings. Oh my God. Now. Sir John, there's a statement from the military high command Diaba. Beluchi, hold on with that video. Hold on. Yes, hold on. That video is very scary. That video is dangerous, and that video is very brutal. Now, yabeko wa reporter ewo ho yadebema na yetimi anya understanding of the entire situation. Ni ekwesi ye be twa video no and everything and no pay we will get it for you. Me dey aduana ba Kofi Asante ni na ye fiada and of course we betimi am wa fidie no ada hatie mi sisi a
Fue soja neba no motion.
Masa, mumba. Se say the miami ne boss no. Bright Soldier capsules. Dima sema mamio. Share.
Because on corner nim Bright Soldier. A free bra me sha say me use Bright Garlic Plus no. Me sana tititi ni nyina no. Menu so na chiri me. Ani menu ma to nyina no ejai. Me titi se okonko. Unim we nyina na odi asie me. Abra me complaining me sisi. Ani matinka na akofom ani obi chire me Bright Soldier capsules. Eje tuato raw.
Bright Soldier. Etimi general body pains. Bright Soldier and a Bright Garlic Plus. Eye tatashi. Kwa pharmacy, chemical. Any herbal shop will be able to Bright Soldier and a Bright Garlic Plus. At Tufonko Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. Ewonungwa Jogon. Last stop. Essel Junction. Flower 0243983906.
And 0261 651 898. Bright Garlic capsules. Eye dro tatashi. FDA. Ahwehwe sa edwadie nkratoi agye to say ye.
Amstead. Dave, what is this Amstead?
Amstead is Akintan Apiaminka University of Skills Training and Entrepreneurial Development. It is Ghana's latest public TVET and entrepreneurial teacher training university. The government in 2020 converted the Kumasi and Asante Mampong campuses of the University of Education Winneba to a full-fledged autonomous university to champion TVET and entrepreneurship as a way out for the country's unemployment problems.
Wow, I wish I could apply for admission at Amstead.
Just visit www.amstead.edu.gh or monitor the national dailies from now to the end of August for admission requirements and list of programs. People awaiting results can also apply.
Amstead form ready on sale?
Yes. Buy online admission voucher at Kumasi and Asante Mampong campuses or visit any branch of Ghana Post, GCB Bank, Eco Bank and other banks to purchase the forms. Call 050-6476-028 or 050-161-3082 for assistance.
Okay, yakoya sayaba Sadon. Afei Beluchi. I tell for this is the situation. As so will get me our reporter na yetimi ehu. There is a video Sadon. Me who video no na makume tu. Beluchi ewa hefa obe mayem the video na fe yet me any understanding of the whole situation. Yeah, now the military high command at the statement about almost say
yes Kofi ye can statement no nyina no tofa bomu.
Yeah. Kind there was saying
87.9 for the Ghana Armed Forces.
Yes.
Press release.
Yes.
Soldiers involved in the disturbance at Wa to be disciplined.
Underlying word is disturbance.
Wa to be disciplined.
To be and the point of interest, and the emphasis discipline. Yes, good. To Asumame.
The attention of the military high command.
The attention
of the military high command.
Okay.
Has been drawn to a video which has gone viral. In this video, some soldiers based in Wa, the regional capital of the Upper West region.
And there is a confirmation.
Yes.
Say indeed, only soldiers.
Yes.
A base in Wa.
Yes.
The regional office.
Yes.
Okay.
So they are seen molesting civilians in the city.
Okay.
Without any provocation.
Oh, okay. Indeed, the police for now, Beluchi wrote the video. Police military confirm
yes.
without any provocation.
You can't say provocation now.
Not just say
now this is the video. I tell you, you see military saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
And now Osha be muso di Canada.
Okay, be no di Canada. Shop be any.
And the business share it also.
And omedi money, bokro money.
And wafa ewe ba ko na fa. Minim say dia na aba.
That is terrible. That is terrible.
That is it. Enti ebi mu free. Aba join it as we speak. Aberuchi pause we mind.
Young okay, pause. Young military so. Now go back. Good.
Me kai ba ko ha 1 2 3 4 5
okay, good.
8 9 10 11 12 very chiku anim
na kwa ye den kwa wo mo ye den
kwa kakra kan
Akoma FM 87.9
okay
no camera here
12 military personnel hey Anna okay enti omadi kan avim ba ko e kire ho
And I hear
Okay. Gata nim no di nipa be tre nso
go
ogu.
de hwede oye kofi. Opita no ahwe wani so no.
Wahwe wani so.
Enti say no ahwe. Kofi
Okay.
13 na wa ha no.
Okay, I've seen
different from wemu o.
Enti mahu 3 people egu gata nim.
13 edi kan wa ha no. Ye de wemu kan ho am ye be 1 2 3 4 5.
Okay.
And wa ha je say be 18.
But so just see small boys.
And am ranting na gum ye 1 2 3 4 5. Oh. So okay yes. Belu timi da sinti 1 2 3 4 5. And ọma ọsọ a no ahwe so tro no agya wa hwe.
Wajawa to gata.
Ọma ọsọ a no ahwe so tro no agya wa hwe. Enti according to the statement which is Kofi without any provocation.
Without any provocation. Yes. And the military high command, the chief of defense staff Nankasa no Air Corps
wa 87.9.
Enti Kofi I say this unprofessional conduct.
Oh my God.
Took place on Thursday 1st July 2021.
Which is Enro.
Enra, yeah.
Just Enra.
And at the time when the commanding officer of the soldiers and the chairman of the Regional Security Council were both out of town on official engagement.
Oh, okay. Enti akwaba akona ya so no mu ha yi enie. Enie miano no. Oh. This Olula mobo. Olula mobo.
Abranti we different from the Ohana.
Okay, my uncle Yenua Yakubu Abdul Gafaru ono yen correspondent ewo Upper West. Yakubu, empom to say.
Good morning.
Okay. Okay.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Wakrum etesay anopay.
Why is fine? Why is fine, my brother?
Okay. Would I bet me I can bro for but I will ask you in yeah, a day na see video I see a see wa him fa na a den. Hello, I just want you to tell me exactly what happened. I mean, what would the video we're watching and we believe is coming from what? Exactly what happened?
Yes, my brother, somewhere around 1 p.m. Yesterday, Thursday afternoon, I received a call that the police, the military officers
Akoma FM 87.9
brutally beating up people for what they describe as in search of their phone which got lost.
Mibo, what's it? All phone they were just searching for their phone, mobile phone.
Exactly, and so when such an illegal operation is taking place by the military officers and anybody tries to maybe a video of the activity, you were also another target. So they had to take you and then beat you up and all that. So this happened close to an hour, right from the WA main station around the main traffic light up to Mama's Kitchen area. People who know this place will definitely know.
Akoma FM 87.9.
This was happening, and when sometimes these people, they will let them take them through military gymnastics and like let them roll on the ground, squat on the hot Scottish sand, and then just roll or put them inside the gutter and all, beat them up and all that. So they were able to intimidate almost everybody, including people who were seen afar trying to take pictures of the activity. So for those who were around trying to take those kind of pictures, they were able to silence them. However, this particular video everybody is watching was taken from a store building where they didn't foresee or see that person was taking this video. And for that matter, everybody now rely on this video to prove
Akoma FM 87.9.
I personally want a call to look at that issue or come to town to see how this incident was taking place. I quickly ran to the area. Unfortunately, where they described to me as where the incident was actually taking place, I bounced into them and already I was in their midst. So I could not even remove my phone, not alone try to take a picture.
And I believe you were also not attacked.
Yes, I wasn't attacked because because of coronavirus, a lot of activities have changed. The military, somebody because of nose mask. The military could beat somebody because probably the person is violating the protocols and all that. So town was fought because nobody knew exactly why they were doing what they were doing. So when you meet people, somebody will tell you, oh, they are beating people because of nose mask, because of helmet. They are beating people because they have rasta in their head or because they leave their hair afro and all that. But me, because I dressed up gently and hair was well kept, and I also put on my helmet, then with my nose mask. I believe that even if at least I should be able, because we are journalists and we know how to avoid incidents. So I went into the scene, even though most people were kept away. And I realized that they were marked not to protect or prevent coronavirus attacks, because they were using some kind of net to cover their where it will be difficult when you even take a picture whether you'll be able to recognize their face. And these were the kind of like attack they put on.
So let me get a precision. Now, this area is where in Wa are we seeing?
This area is around the how do you call it?
Is it within the central business district, a commercial area?
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. That is, they started from the commercial area and then they operated up to a point they were to their barracks.
Now,
to their barracks,
okay.
They were moving the main traffic line.
Okay.
The main traffic line back to their barracks, and back to their barracks is around the What Technical Institute.
Okay, now were they all in a car, a vehicle, or
some of them were in their pickup. Some of them were in their pickup, while over 50 of them were also doing the operation. Some were targeting people who were in the incident, and others were also doing the real operations, picking up people, holding sticks. They're also holding wires. If you know the vulcanizers, the vulcanizer machine uses to power it. These are the kind of cells they're using to whip those people.
How did their phone get missing? How did the phone get missing?
According to them, the phone, there were two who were in Nopi on Wednesday evening when they boarded the commercial tricycle, the one we call Nana Kambu here in Wa.
Okay.
When they dropped at their barracks, they realized they couldn't get their phone. So they tried to see if they could get in touch with the tricycle operator, and they could. So they thought that somebody stole the phone from them, and for that matter, the following day had to mobilize on a rampage to see if they could get the phone, and they were also led by why their phone should be missing also.
So who were their target? I want to know, because who were their target?
Their target were the operators of the tricycle operators, and also even people who were inside the tricycle. People who were inside were part and people who were trying to film, who were like onlookers, eyewitnesses were also. And when they see you and they feel that this guy could be a criminal, then you are also a target. Almost everybody was their target, and anybody who tried to pay was another target.
So where were the police in town? Couldn't they have gone there to stop them? I mean,
unfortunately, where I told you, I said I went to meet them. I also met a police chief. That was with some police officers on board, and then they stopped some of the military officers to ask them why there were many around the area. Even though I was not closer to them to hear exactly the exact words they were using, after explanation by one of the military officers, the police decided to move away, leaving the officers to also move to the barracks. It is an indication that the explanation given to the police officers, they were convincing enough for them to leave them and then go their way, for the military officers to also go their way.
Far on a correspondent Upper West reporter by video the military high command at this statement atoso now ocean way Facebook page military brutality the central business district of Wa said the year chubia ne ye bonipa dwasutro all because of womo phone ayira a day before na womo ehhwehwe na womo fa bobo ya mahama kambu yibi no womo trem yese phone no ayira kodu womo baras na sa bobo ya ne se de womo fa na nra ye bo wa ehu anim na hwe unya obe record a as ye vim wa ne ye ja ho ne ye de ko baby aba bedu na no pen the military command eko wa na omakwa akohwe
media and within people this has angered a lot of the youth, and they are writing on social media criticizing the activities, and also on radios. All radio stations in town are hot. People are calling saying that this has never happened before. Even though, like, from time to time, they go on occasion to do this, but to be recorded doing the act has never happened. And, you know, as a journalist, a lot of people, some even outside the region, are calling to find out if the video they are seeing is a real video from Wa yesterday, and we confirm to them that this is what exactly happened, and we are battling with it. But I must say that this, what happened yesterday wasn't the only thing. Somewhere on the 28th of this month, that was Saturday, similar things happened at Wichau, where some of the military officers, where they go towards their car. That is, one car was in bay. And usually when they go, according to the victim, when they go, they ask him to reduce the price from 15 cedis to 10 cedis. And that is the amount they too are saying they take. But they forcefully give 10 cedis to them, and sometimes too they don't even pay anything, and they come to take their vehicle away afterwards. Finally, one day they went there. That was on the 26th of this month. They went there to brutalize the guy because of because he was in their car and paid. And instead they pay him his due, and he was also brutalized. But this one, the police said they were investigating it, or they are still investigating that one. But yesterday, the same thing occurred, and this is where we are talking about it. We are waiting anxiously for the military high command from Accra to arrive here in Wa for us to see the next steps they are taking to ensure that there is calm and peace.
Okay. We are aware the military high command are coming to town, and we believe that situation will be brought under control.
Sure.
Abusanfo, Yenua Yakubu Abdul Gafaru Namote say Yenini din command, but Mame Fantu just say I know many military mpanimfo they are very humble, very humble, and very unfortunate. They are just fresh recruit. One more don't know how out because anyway no. But we have Nanti. I mean, Sajon, let me tell you. I have many military officers. They are very humble. Who's so genius? He's so humble to the extent say, Massa, so just wrong. As Sajon,
the fact is that
I tell you, some of the military senior officers are too humble to the extent they say, "Who now to say? Oh, you respect him."
Now,
me say under 17, the type of recruit I am Wagana Hano, and I do be. I'm telling you,
Kofi.
I'm telling you, Sir John. Me say, when you real military officers are, they are too humble, down to earth. I would say officers in here.
Kofi,
me say, Sir John, from the police to a baby, the kind of Ghana, the kind of military person you produce, I'm telling you, Sir John, that you're so, any subai ni we any police ni military, and ebeng. Now you're here from 2 years. Politics,
and Kofi, are they also telling us, is that what they are telling us? Because of phone, just
of course, yes, report.
Yes, you report to the police.
No block it, crying.
What is this?
What you be?
Hey,
Boga, just so the baby obeko bia na ukuta water bottle. Oh, Charlie, ye pass me hu. E china na mpese me ko. Oh, aden, na me nim sem be di 4 days pen na mako. Enti nsu 5 bottles pen na me di buy. Enfa, nsu bia ni abrocha chance ansu no. Obibini black man ni German company bi na aka omutra bom. Aye zat mineral water. Efri abomu na eba ni e dia fan fidi pepe mo asone so mana ye kroje ti sa abrocha nsu pepepe. Wow. Ye woni sachet any bottle nyina. Hwe, mami from no mo fidi mbra osisi a wate. 0244 620 294 and 020 818 3018. Hey, sisi ano mabe. Okayo, we dey tisi abroche dieni bi pepepepepepe. Omona 26
If abroche ba odi so beba. Wa Brazet mineral water wa Ghana ha. Zet mineral water.
Hey, me don't reassay. Now say grow fine dear. I'm a fine papa.
Why see? Sana also grow fine. Why no me show crying say. Hey, I worry for. Na dey na monya boni agisia.
Somewhere secret dey.
Aha, grow fine herbal tonic. Ye moja drum waso aba. Ebu afufuro yie pa. Ye de yan kese ye koko e na ahada ye. Enti emu hwam. Emu so de. Enti wo obi a wuntumi na. Wo da no krokro. Ana wo da ntientia. Wo so wonum ato a wuntumi ne die. Aduane pampan fa so a na wo fe. Honamre, wo ye adwuma kakra bia na wo nsa ye otitisi. Afei, wo ba wontumi mo ne nsa yie. Wonum grow fine moja dro no. Na bo oni paduane siesie ne yie pa. Grow fine herbal tonic. Eye super. Enti obi a wo pa ne kese motu no. For the tremu e wo Kumasi Asakore Mampo. Wo sabeka bi go all chemical shops. Ani ya bibi dro depo bia wo demo. Sawo penchemu fresano Messi 0244 596532. Anase 0264 596532. Grow fine herbal tonic ana.
Countries' unemployment problems.
Wow, I wish I could apply for admission at Amstead.
Just visit www.amstead.edu.gh or